Okay, so we are going to write the structure of H3PO4. It is also known as phosphoric acid. So let's begin. Okay, so the central atom in H3PO4 is phosphorus, and as you know, phosphorus has 5 valence electrons. So we'll write P, and it has 5 valence electrons. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and hydrogen has 1 valence electron. Okay, now there are 4 oxygen atoms and there are 3 hydrogen atoms. Now how are we going to combine the the remaining atoms, which is the hydrogen and phosphorus? Okay, so before I tell you how to write the structure, one thing I just want to make it very clear is that when we're writing the acids of phosphorus, as in this case, or maybe H3PO2 or H3PO3, the one thing that you should do is simply put an oxygen above phosphorus. That's it. Now we are going to proceed to write the structure. All right, and you guys know that oxygen has 6 valence electrons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, and they're going to form double bond, right? So we are now left with 3 oxygen atoms and 3 hydrogen atoms, and now they're going to combine like this. Okay, this is the oxygen. Now oxygen makes 2 bonds, as you can see here clearly. Oxygen makes 2 bonds. Okay, so oxygen also has an atom here. Now it has 6 valence electrons, right? So we have marked the 1 electron. Okay, so we're going to mark another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in total 6, right? And also two oxygen atoms are also left, and we're going to draw it just the way we drew this one. Okay, oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this one also 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we are left with just 3 hydrogen atoms, and now we're going to simply do this. Hydrogen and its 1 electron, hydrogen and its 1 electron, and the third hydrogen with its another electron. Now they are going to make single bonds, and this is the structure of H3PO4. It was sorry, I think I missed it a little, but yeah, I've adjusted it now. So this was the structure of H3PO4, and simply we can write it like this: phosphorus, double bond oxygen, OH, OH and OH. And also one more thing, this doubt arises in many of the cases that since this is an acid, so we calculate the basicity of an acid and acidity of a base. So this is an acid, and we're going to know we're going to find out what is the basicity of this acid. Okay, so basicity is what it actually means is how many hydrogen ions can an acid give. H3PO4 is also known as phosphoric acid, is an acid, and its basicity will be, it can donate this hydrogen, it can donate this hydrogen ion, and also this one. So its basicity, okay, I'll write it here, basicity is 3. Okay, one more thing, that while calculating basicity, the hydrogen atoms must be connected to a very highly electronegative atom. In this case, hydrogen is connected with oxygen. So what happens in this OH bond is that since oxygen is highly electronegative, it partially gains a negative charge, and hydrogen gains a partial positive charge, and this can break out in water, right? So this was the case, and its basicity is 3, 1, 2, 3, and simply H3PO4 can donate 3 hydrogen ions, H plus ions. Thank you very much, and I'll see you once again If you guys have any problems related to physics or biology and chemistry, you guys can comment on the comment in the comment section, and I'll be posting videos of those questions that you're going to ask. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.